So welcome to my YouTube channel. Here we will see how we can add margin and padding in Elementor. Like whenever you build a page in Elementor, inside any content or section you want to add margin, padding and manage. I will show you how to manage in different type to make it responsive. Okay. So go just open any page you want to add it. I will go to here. This is my. I will go to about us page. Now I will click on edit with element. You can manage margin and padding of any section. So let now here this is my section. Suppose that here you can see my section in heading I want to add a border. First I will add a border so that you can clearly understand margin and padding here. Now to manage margin padding you need to go to that element, go on advanced setting. Here you can see in layout, see margin and padding. First point is pixel. So for pixel, this top, right, bottom, so you can link everything. You can see you get 10 pixel spacing, and if I want to give margin, I'll get margin. Padding is inside and margin is outside. That's the basic. Now what I want to give it in percentage to make it responsive. I want to give same margin in mobile view. For that, I will suppose say 1%. Here you can see 2%. Even I go on mobile view, it will look better. Here you can see mobile view. In mobile view, you can add different margin and padding as per your requirement. Suppose I want to give 2%, 1%, 0 margin padding. So you can manage margin and padding for different view as per your requirement. Okay. Now one more thing, there is percentage, then there is EM. And also use EM. Here you can see 1 EM, 1.2 EM. Sorry. Can manage REM. Same way you can manage a 1. Then there is VW. There are multiple type of options to manage margin padding as per your requirement. Like suppose I want to give 100 pixel. I can try to even my on type if I want 10 pixel. Anything like I want to give 10%. Even if I can try to my style of margin and padding if I don't use to custom build. So that's why you can easily manage margin and padding for any section inside Elementor. To make your website more responsive, you can add different margin pattern for your mobile view, manage margin pattern. So that's very simple. That's how you can do it. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to my channel.